Genesis chapter 13. The famine was over, and Abram returned from Egypt, his caravan heavy with wealth, flocks, herds, silver, and gold. Beside him traveled Lot, his nephew, also rich with his own tents, servants, and animals. The journey led them back through the hills of Canaan, to the place where Abram had once built an altar, the place where he had first called on the name of the Lord. But blessings brought a new challenge. The land could not carry them both. The grass grew thin under so many animals, and soon quarrels broke out. Abram's herdsmen against Lot's. The tension rose, and the eyes of the Canaanites and Perizzites watched their strife. Abram, calm, wise, and unwilling to let family be torn apart, spoke to Lot. Let there be no fighting between us, for we are brothers. The whole land is before you. Choose where you will go. If you go left, I will go right. If you go right, I will go left. Lot lifted his eyes, and he saw it, the Jordan Valley, a ribbon of green stretching towards the horizon, fertile, shimmering with water like the Garden of Eden. Before the Lord's judgment fell on Sodom and Gomorrah, drawn by its beauty, Lot chose the valley for himself. He journeyed east and pitched his tent near Sodom, a city already steeped in sin. Abram remained in Canaan, and there the voice of the Lord came to him again. Lift up your eyes, Abram. Look north and south, east and west. All the land you see, I give to you and to your descendants. Forever, your children will be as countless as the dust of the earth. Under the vast sky, Abram walked the land, and in Hebron, he built an altar. His heart steady in faith, worshipping the God who had promised him more than he could yet imagine.